Hi friends, my name is Mr. JT, and today we're going to be reading a story together, one that I wrote. It's called Charlie the Chartreuse Alien, and I'm so excited to share it with you. So buckle in, hop on the spaceship, and let's get ready to explore the universe with Charlie. Charlie the Chartreuse Alien by J.T. Wilbanks. On this planet you will find that all are a shade of chartreuse, most divine. But sometimes it's nice to take a trip. Charlie, the curious and coy, decided to seek all kinds of colorful joy. Driving through space, Charlie counted the vibrant stars that sped by his face. Charlie lucked upon a lilac land where the people liked top hats on their tongues, and a tricky tempest filled his little lungs. He even got a free souvenir. Again, Charlie arrived, this time on a world of aqua blue. He was given a seashell, since the serpent had little need for a shell shoe, since her tail was already blue. Flying through a falling sky, filled with fuchsia, frothy ferns with friendly faces, a little bit of foam made it into the flying ship. Funnily, Charlie rubbed it upon his cheeks. Calling out to the creamsicle curly clumps, Charlie said hello, even though he had goosebumps. From a ribbon-wrapped ridge, Charlie took a small token for his top hat. Oh, all the places, spaces, and faces Charlie had seen. But soon he met a star with a rainbow gleam. He followed along, quite keen, and found a prismatic sight to be seen. Wild and free, vibrant and happy, for the first time, different was all that Charlie could see. Charlie flew in for a closer look. How long he took! But on his fabulous face, he had a certain look. After you roam, after you have grown, just like Charlie, explore the universe and find home. Thank you everyone for going on a journey with me and Charlie in the Dixon Gallery and Gardens. Till next time, I'm Mr. JT, and I hope that I'll get to share more stories with you in the future. Bye.